Hello, it's Miss Hake back with some Minds On. We are learning all about the letter N and the sound N makes like an airplane. Speaking of N, it was very noisy here a minute ago. We just had a big thunderstorm. Ooh, have you ever been in a thunderstorm? Kaboom, kabang, kapow. What are you going to do for your Minds On? Well, watch these videos very carefully, and then you're going to go on an N hunt. So get a piece of paper and put the uppercase N and the lowercase n. 1, 2, 3. This one's full of straight lines. 1 and then around. And you're going to think of 4 things. Miss Hake thought of 3. Night, nose, and nut. I wonder what else you can think of. Can you think of 4 things for your end minds on this morning? Give it a whirl. Good luck. On your marks, get set, go on an end hunt.